Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter a wallet. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips, and add passes like transport pass, loyalty and gift card. Next, you can go to menu, and right here you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, contactless setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, in participating banks, you can check full list of banks participating in Google Pay. Then, you've got access to Password Manager. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Google Pay and Wallet. In the end, you've got access to help and feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.